Hello and welcome to Everyday English Kit. Listen carefully, try to understand the main ideas, and answer the questions at the end. Stop the video and copy the questions or their numbers.
Have you ever wondered why some people seem to run on their own clock? While punctuality appears straightforward, arranging activities according to agreed times, research suggests chronic lateness stems from complex psychological, biological, and neurological factors. Psychologists have identified several explanations that reveal more about human behavior than simple rudeness or laziness. One primary culprit is the planning fallacy, where individuals consistently underestimate task duration by approximately 40%. Washington University psychologists Emily Waldun and Mark McDaniel coined time-based prospective memory, TBPM, to describe this phenomenon. Latecomers often become absorbed in current activities, neglecting time monitoring until it's too late. Multitasking exacerbates the problem, fragmenting attention and impairing metacognition, the awareness of one's cognitive processes, personality types, and time perception. Personality significantly influences time perception. Psychologist Diana Conti discovered Type B individuals, laid back and creative, experience time passing more slowly. In her studies, Type A personalities, achievement-oriented, perceived a minute in 58 seconds, while Type B counterparts felt it stretched to 77 seconds. This 19-second discrepancy accumulates, explaining habitual tardiness. Creative professionals often exhibit this trait, prioritizing immersive flow states over rigid schedules.
Psychologist Diana Conti discovered Type B individuals, laid back and creative, experience time passing more slowly. In her studies, Type A personalities, achievement-oriented, perceived a minute in 58 seconds, while Type B counterparts felt it stretched to 77 seconds. This 19-second discrepancy accumulates, explaining habitual tardiness. Creative professionals often exhibit this trait, prioritizing immersive flow states over rigid schedules. Our internal body clocks, or chronotypes, also play a crucial role. Morning larks and night owls process time differently. Evening chronotypes struggle with morning commitments because their circadian rhythms peak later. A Frontiers in Cognition study found extreme chronotypes exhibit faster semantic processing, but greater interference during off-peak hours. High school students, with evening preferences, performed worse on morning crystallized intelligence tests, highlighting chronotype's impact on cognitive timing. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder frequently manifests as time blindness. A 2019 Medical Science Monitor review revealed ADHD individuals struggle with temporal processing, making punctuality challenging, despite genuine intent. Neuroimaging shows reduced prefrontal cortex activation, the brain region governing executive function and time estimation, in both ADHD and chronic procrastinators.
Freudian perspectives suggest deeper motivations. Psychologist Sarah Whitbourne proposes, excessive lateness reflects self-destructive tendencies or passive-aggressive control. Latecomers unconsciously punish themselves through repeated failure while asserting dominance over schedules. Procrastination researcher Fuchsia Sirois links lateness to emotional avoidance. Individuals delay tasks evoking anxiety, creating a vicious cycle. Cultural attitudes toward time vary globally. Monochronic cultures, Germany, Japan, prioritize punctuality, while polychronic societies, Latin America, Middle East, embrace flexible timing. Urban environments, compound lateness through traffic unpredictability and digital distractions, smartphone notifications. Fragment attention spans, mental visualization helps. A 2012 study demonstrated that, imagining tasks beforehand improves duration estimation. Latecomers benefit from scheduling buffers, minimizing multitasking, and using smartphone time blockers. Understanding chronotype allows strategic planning. Night owls should avoid early meetings, when possible. Ultimately, chronic lateness reveals cognitive diversity rather than moral failing. While frustrating for punctual individuals, science suggests empathy alongside practical interventions. As researcher Justin Kruger notes, we're late even when punishments exist, underscoring the brain's complex relationship with time. Rather than blame. Appreciating these scientific insights fosters understanding across chronotypes and personalities.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more practice.